Let's learn how to enable assistant menu icon. If we enable this assistant menu icon, we can use the mobile very easily. We can save our time. I will show you how to enable this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and click on accessibility option. Again, scroll down this page. You can see here accessibility menu option. Click on it. In here, you can enable this accessibility menu shortcut option. Now we can see our assistant menu icon like this. If I click on this assistant menu icon, I can see more options in here. Lot of options have on this icon. We can volume down, volume up. We can control brightness. We can open recent app and we can power on off. Lot of features have on this assistant menu icon. If you want to turn off your lock screen, you can press this assistant menu icon lock screen option and we can capture a screenshot. Lot of features have on this icon. You can try it.